right, guys, we are going to start cooking again, but this time it's a money saver. Okay. I got something here. I just came from the store. I have black beans. See that? Black beans. We're gonna do some soul food. Diced tomatoes, kidney beans, all three kinds of beans, northern beans, and of course, mixed greens. All right, but first, let's open the mixed greens here. All right, let's put that away. But we have to drain the water on this whatever is inside the black beans, northern beans, kidney beans, because these are high in salt, okay? Sodium. All right, now this one is gonna drain that too. All right. I got that drain. I got northern beans. Make sure that there is a little like an air coming out when it goes. Psst, that means it's fresh. All right. Did you see that water? You gotta drain that. Yeah. That's high in sodium, man. The sodium. It's not good for you. Black beans. Get the beans. See the water? Just go like, I'll show you how to drain it. Just do like that. Okay. Just see. Yeah, you don't want no sodium. It's not good for you, dude. Not good for you. All right. Next is get this one. Throw this in the trash. All this. Little end cap there. That we are. All right. Kidney beans. Oops. See that water? See, you don't want that. That has sodium on it. All right. Salt. It's salty. All right. Okay. All right. This fired, see that? Dice is a fired roasted tomato. This stuff is good. Ooh. Oop. Yeah, that's all right. That's okay. This one has a high sodium too, but not as much. All right, let's fire this up. All right. Of course, favorite, olive oil. It's easy, dude. This is easy. Garlic. My soul food, I love crushed red pepper. Chili. That's what I do in my soul food. Curry powder and onion powder. See it? All right. Man, this is just like a money saver. Let me throw this out. This is a money saver, dude. This is a money saver. Kayo kuan ka, sa nga lang, wakay kwarta kayo, mag-budget ka, just buy this stuff, Kung wala kang pera, magba-budget ka na naman eh. Budgeter. Yeah, make sure that this is hot, dude. Yeah. Yeah, all you gotta do is, let's get this one really hot. butangan. Oh, may na. Garlic, gamay garlic, butangan mo gamay garlic. Oh, kay kuan, maayo gamay. Oh, maayo ni. Gusto ko daghang garlic ug onion powder. Oo, onion powder. Nindot. Onion powder. Humot na, oy. Nindot kayo, humot. Makalaway ni siya, makalaway. It makes you salivate, man. Yeah. That's how I say. Just salivate. That's all you gotta do. Eating, salivating. Woo. God, this is so good. Really good, man. Save some money. You get a budget yourself. You know, you don't have to, you know, with all this prices so high, you need to budget. Whew, all right. That is done. Done, my friend. Done. Just, it's already brought to a boil. So when it's boiling, it's done. All right. Nice. Voila. That's done. All right. Save some money. Oh, sige bye. Salamat sa pagtanaw ninyo sa akong kwan. Ay kalimot subscribe. Please don't forget to subscribe. Subscribe to my channel.